So this is the unboxing of a Ember temperature controlled mug. This is sort of a Christmas present to myself. This is the 295mm version. They also make a larger one, they also make travel mugs, etc. But I'm terrible for leaving teas and coffees lying around and they just go stone cold. They go in the microwave, heat them up, they go stone cold. And I do that 2 or 3 times, sometimes even more. So in an attempt to try and sort myself out, this looked like an intriguing gadget. Reviews of the thing are quite unusual. And they're almost equally split between 5-star reviews and nothing like 5-star reviews, with people having various problems with the things. This is the latest version, the Temperature Control Mug 2, and let's have a closer look at it. So nice box. I don't know if you can actually see that. It does say Ember white and white. I'm just going to peel the stickers off the side. Put a sticker off the side here. So that's that. And so do the big reveal. Right, hopefully you can see that. So it's very nicely presented. Oh, it's nicely heavy. That's lovely. That really is very nice. It says Ember there. Charge before use. And what's this? Do not put in a microwave. Yes, don't put this in a microwave to heat this up. Some nice goldy coloured contacts there. I'm going to take this off as well. So all that's very nice indeed. And what else have we got in the box? We have the base, which basically it's got a couple of little pins there which contact the gold bands there. Do not get wet, it's fine. Take that off. Have we got any more stickers left? No, I don't think so. Sort of slightly rubbery base, stop it moving about. And in here, looks like we've got a book of instructions, let's get started, and some Ember stickers, all very nice too. And we have got the ubiquitous charger, mains adapter. It says Ember on it, and you can select what type of plug you want to put on the other end of it, which is what these are. Oh, that's interesting. The very first one out is the UK/Ireland 13 amp top plug. Put that back in there, so I think we're going to need that for the time being. And don't think we need the instructions, but I'm going to leave them out just in case. Put everything else back in the box. Usual little tie wrap here, which is always annoying to take off. I'll get rid of that as well. And we're going to clip this on. Looks like it goes that way. There we go, that was easy. So I think we're done with the box for the time being. So, here we go. So normally, I guess, let's plug this in. I might have to go around to the other side to plug that into the mains. Assuming I can find a spare mains lead. And that goes on like this. Very nice. Just leave the instructions there. reasonably long. That's probably more than a metre, 4 or 5 feet as a guess. I do have here, which I'm just trying to get something a bit closer to me. Could reach. Hopefully it will. There we go. That's now powered on. And the front light, I don't know if you can see that, probably not, it's gently flashing red, so it looks like that's charging up. Now there's an app for this as well, which I'm going to try to access. So this is trying to find the Ember app. Tap to connect now. I don't know if it connects when it's charging. Make sure the mug is powered on. It says empty, which is correct. And it's showing a battery life of 84%. Now I must admit I did a bit of a cheat with this because when I took delivery of it, I actually unwrapped it and charged it up because I wanted to use it on Christmas Day. Of course, didn't have any chance to use it on Christmas Day. So it's lost 16% of its charge over a few days of it not being in use. No great sweat. I'm just going to leave this to charge up, and I'll revert to it later. So this is a demo of my wonderful Ember mug. The light has just come on when I picked it up. You can choose what colour you want, so if there's different people with different mugs, they can each have their own colour. These coffees, Kenco, either you have them iced or hot vanilla latte, I think are absolutely stunning. They come in pouches, and like that, and what you do is they have got a tear off top, but I often find that tear off tops don't work very well, so scissors to the rescue. So you pour in the powder. I've got some just off the boil 200 millimeters of hot water, and you just gently stir this in. It's a posh new mug. I'm using a wooden spoon because I don't want to scrape it. So there we go. And you just make sure that it's well stirred in. Figure of 8 stirring here. It just looks good, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. Now, look at that, isn't that lovely? If I go into the app, so this is the app on the phone, and I will be switching to this. Hopefully it's recording. Not sure if it is. Is this recording? Right, it is now. Okay, that's recording. Tap to connect. Make sure the mug is out. And there we go. Mug's at 64.5 degrees. 63. And the temperature I want to drink at is at 57 degrees. So it's going to just drop the temperature, naturally drop until it hits the point where it's going to actually start heating the mug to keep the temperature. And the temperature that's selected is 57.0 degrees. So just leave it to cool for a bit. And there's the message: your drink is ready, your preferred temperature has been reached. There we are. The Ember Mug. And the white light has now gone so steady.